that we here at Republic TV are tracking very closely. Now, shifting our focus, in fact, there's been a flight scare, Air India scare that has come to the fore. Flight AI2744 operating from Kochi to Mumbai today experienced heavy rain during the landing, resulting in runway excursion after touchdown. The aircraft taxied safely to the gate, and all passenger and crew members have since disembarked from this plane. The aircraft has been grounded for more checks, is what we're learning. So this is in fact the Air India flight that experienced the runway excursion, is what we're learning. The flight number is flight AI2744, which was going from Kochi to Mumbai today, which experienced heavy rain during the landing, resulting in the runway excursion, is what we're learning. We'll try and go across to our reporter in just some time as to what happened as far as this flight is concerned. But we're learning that there was an emergency landing. All the passengers are safe. They have been disembarked. All right, so as far as this entire scenario is concerned, what we're learning is that during landing on runway 27 at Mumbai, in heavy rain and low visibility, the aircraft touched down towards the right edge of the runway. The main landing gear veered briefly on the unpaved surface. The crew managed to steer the aircraft back to the runway center line, followed by normal taxi and parking. And as far as Air India is concerned, they have issued a statement, and they have stated, as far as the findings are concerned, they have said that ATC was informed immediately about this entire scenario. Engineering inspection post-parking revealed damage to the right engine cowling and undercarriage as well. Further technical inspection is ongoing. No injuries reported among the passengers or the crew as far as this is concerned. So this was a flight that was going from Cochin to Mumbai, is what we are learning. And during landing on runway 27 at Mumbai in heavy rain and low visibility, the aircraft touched down towards the right edge of the runway. Let me go across to my colleague Harsha Chandwani, who's been tracking this story very closely. Harsha, another incident related to Air India has come to the fore. Tell us what happened in this specific case and what Air India is saying on this.
So, Akanksha, this was Mumbai Kochi Air India 320 new aircraft, which was scheduled for morning landing. And as soon as it was landing in Mumbai at Mumbai airport, there was very low visibility, and the entire runway was also very because of continuous rain, it was very slippery as well. So there was a runway excursion during the time of the landing. That means, and the center of the runway, the aircraft didn't land. It landed towards the right of the runway, which is extreme right towards the open field, open land, and that could have caused a serious damage to the aircraft and to the safety of passengers. And that is the reason why immediately after such landing towards extreme right, the pilot of the aircraft immediately managed and came to the center. The entire incident has been informed to the ATC, but thankfully there has been no damage to the aircraft, or there has been no scare as far as the passengers are concerned. There has been no damage to the passengers' safety as well. Everything was intact, and passengers are also safe. Immediately, the aircraft was taken towards the center, and then it was taken in the isolation bay for the proper check also. But yes, a major disaster, a major damage was averted today morning because of the low visibility and also because of the slippery runway at the Mumbai airport. And also, it was stated that the flight Kochi Mumbai, and also now DGC is investigating into that how during the landing time, in fact, the ATC was continuously being informed by the pilot that the runway is very slippery. It will be a problematic how this landing was done, why the aircraft couldn't be balanced and initially went towards the extreme right of the runway. Back to you.
Absolutely, Harsha. And do tell us about any statement that has come from Air India as far as this entire scenario is concerned. A major tragedy was averted today. What is Air India saying on this?
So, Akanksha, as Air India every time gives the generic statement by stating that all passengers are safe, we ensure the safety of the passenger. This was the incident which has happened at the Mumbai airport because of the low visibility. That was the statement which was given by Air India. But yes, the preliminary report about the entire incident has been submitted to DGCA. So we can say that now regulatory bodies investigating into this. Air India has not more to say into that. But this was A320 neo aircraft of Air India which suffered this technical issue while landing at Mumbai airport. Back to you.
Absolutely, Harsha, thank you for all the details. Keep tracking those details and we'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Now, shifting our focus to Udaipur File movie that, remember, was all set to be released on July 11th, but now its release has been delayed. Now